So guys, as you can see ke bafethu uHlathi approach uLazarus noZoleka. This war is far from over. So manje bafethu they handing uHlathi ama-files evidence ukuthi yena he met uMongezi Shezi and he bribed uMongezi Shezi with 2.5 million rand to keep Qhawe out of Zoleka's life. Nakhona ke futhi ke it's more than that, I don't know, but the headline is uHlathi was blocking Qhawe to go see uZoleka, so it was a custody type of situation. So ke bafethu ke uyasho kuZoleka ukuthi they got these files from their lawyers. It's not something that they just came up with. Their lawyers, you understand. uHlathi ke took the files bafethu wadabula. He tore them up. Lazarus had to tell him ukuthi those weren't the only copies that they made, you understand. So yeah, uHlathi must not waste time and all of that. You get me? Because this war is far from over. uLazarus ungichazile ke setshela uHlathi ukuthi a wise man would have bought a house with that money. 2.5 million is a lot, guys. Nambe ngatheka idlo honestly, but we're not there. Silana ke bafethu. Thumeka noHlathi ke bafethu. There's tension because uThumeka told uZoleka everything that she knows regarding the 2.5 million that had to go to uMongezi for uMongezi to block uQhawe from seeing uZoleka. Actually it was a bribery njengoba ngishilo ukuthi how okay uHlathi so is telling uThumeka ukuthi she is also involved. So if uHlathi was to get locked up in jail, if uThumeka is gonna follow uHlathi because uThumeka is also involved in this thing, in this whole bribery, because she knew everything. Yabo, and what she knew, she went to tell uZoleka. On the other side, bafethu uLikamva ke noYanga were eavesdropping. They heard everything that they were speaking about. You can see the disappointment in Thumeka's face. On the other side, bafethu uZoleka is worried because she did not want to actually rat out uThumeka, but automatically it feels as if uThumeka is ratted out because uZoleka came in with Lazarus with full evidence, you understand. And obviously manje ke uZoleka is concerned about her sister ukuthi how why is it ukuthi manje sekumele kuphume igama likaThumeka, you understand. So Lazarus said he was to blame if anything could happen. Ngalena kuZoleka bafethu asked uLazarus ukuthi what's happening ngoLilian Gumede. I feel like there's a deep story with this Lilian Gumede. I can't wait to actually find out what has been happening between Lazarus no Lilian Gumede, because Lazarus every time he's asked about this thing he's dodgy. On the other side bafethu Thumeka ke approach usisi wakhe confront amtshela ukuthi it didn't have to be like that ukuthi uThumeka had to be dragged into this thing. Thumeka's name was supposed to be left out. They had a deal ukuthi uThumeka must be a person who is intangible in this whole thing. She must be behind the scenes with everything. So damn, uZoleka is trying to like console, is trying to be apologetic about the whole situation, but I feel as if it's too late because Lazarus had to jump into the convo and actually tell uThumeka ukuthi she is not innocent. She is not innocent. She knows every move that Hlathi was doing, but she kept quiet instead. But what Thumeka can do is to tell uHlathi to back off, because the more Hlathi puts pressure and applies pressure on getting Ubavumile, is the more Thumeka's also gonna get into the orange overalls, which means he's gonna go to jail. Ngalena bafethu is the AGI summit, so obviously excuse me, Onga opened up a platform. You would see people must innovate softwares, not just cybersecurities, but at the same time they must use their own creativity to elevate the company. So yeah, bafethu Qhawe was the chosen one to actually present, but it looked like she wasn't that ready, but she was ready because she did the presentation. So everyone kept on asking Onga how is their summit, how is their draft. Well, I'm aware to but right, it's a more marketing bid, also negalinda. So yeah, man, Onga uthoyileke i-draft kaQhawe from the CEO, which is uZoleka. So uQhawe was expected to actually do a presentation for Ikhusela, and I must say she killed it. On the other side, bafethu uHlathi doesn't want to back out. He doesn't want to back off. I mean, lo muntu akafuna ukuyeka lo, unenkani unenkani uHlathi, yabo. So iyenzeka i-presentation, guys. As you can see, this is some kind of an AI type of thing because it was on the presentation board. We understand. So uQhawe basically eKhusela developed a dating app. We understand that, but I don't get it still because my way to also ask ukuthi, why does a dating app have to do with iKhusela? Because Khusela is a technology company. Well, I understand also AI is also technology, but uQhawe made it even more relevant to AI. I understand that, but this was a dating app, and I'm starting to think ukuthi Onga is starting to like uQhawe, I can say, because they haven't been like on good terms and everything. uQhawe has been like fighting for her life to actually get her draft into Onga's hands and Onga's face, and for Onga to read the proposal yakhe or draft yakhe. But finally, finally, Onga was impressed, you understand, and they chose draft kaQhawe ke. Qhawe ke hamba phambili sis. uLilian Gumede ke Nkosi yami uyahlangana noZoleka. Guys, mina I'm curious. I wanna know what's happening. Yabona what was happening in like between Lazarus no Lilian Gumede. At this point, I just don't need to review anything. I need to actually guess because I think these guys were in a relationship. Probably it was an abusive relationship, you understand? Or Lilian Gumede was actually used by Lazarus to actually start iKhusela. And then when Lazarus got everything that he wanted, he got rid of Lilian Gumede, of which I think he's doing the same no Zolega. But we don't know, guys. Since Zolega is CEO, we don't know. You understand? But basic of the story is uLilian Gumede was apologizing to uZoleka and told uZoleka if anything she wants to know, she must ask Lazarus and ask how Khusela started. I can't wait to see that part. uZoleka sifuna iqiniso. So bafethu uLikamva is crashing out to uThumeka umama wakhe, saying that he heard everything, you understand? He heard everything that uThumeka noHlathi were working on blocking uQhawe from seeing uZoleka, you understand? And uLikamva now also thinks ukuthi both his parents are villains and akasabathembi boyithu, which is crazy though. Okay ke bafethu uZoleka ke usefonini noLazarus, yamtshela Lazarus ukuthi they need to meet up later. I think it's that issue vele yaLilian Gumede, no other issue. So on the other side bafethu they meet lapha. Now uLikamva came to iKhusela to see uZoleka, to apologize to uZoleka because there has been tension ever since uLikamva met uZoleka. The first day they ever met, uLikamva never liked uZoleka because of the Qhawe situation and uThumeka having to war with uZoleka regarding uQhawe and who is Qhawe's real mother. So uLikamva bafethu was matured enough, he grew up and he went to uZoleka. And bafethu, I'm so happy to see uZoleka as a forgiving person because uxolele lapha uLikamva. As you can see on the picture, uLikamva is smiling because bamxolele. uZoleka ushilo ukuthi kudala umxolele uLikamva, and if anything Likamva is welcome lapha kwaZoleka. It's also his home, we understand. So he is welcome, yabona. And yeah, man, bygones are bygones at this point for uZoleka and Likamva, of which I'm happy. But at the same time, there's also tension around the house there. So bafethu uZoleka finds a message from uThumeka. uThumeka amtshela ukuthi hey, she tried everything but uHlathi doesn't want to back down. Ngale naye bafethu ke 3 Shots Lounge ke, there's a mini party laphana phela ngithi uQhawe killed her presentation, so everyone is gathered for her. So there's a surprise party for uQhawe. So uQhawe had to pull up the partner. As you can see bafethu laphana, people have their glasses up, yabona, they are toasting laphana twice and everything. It's a nice time laphana elo 3 Shots Lounge for isitavu saseKhusela, we understand. So as you can see bafethu laphana bajabulile abantu. Hey, weLikamva noZinhle, hey, what's happening between these two people? But let me not dwell into this thing. Ngale nayo bafethu, I'm sure you saw umawethu was dancing noQhawe up until they nearly kissed, hey, which is crazy, but they didn't. Ayaqhubeka umsindo lapha kaMabandla, uyaqhubeka umsindo kaMabandla. Lazarus no Zoleka can't stop confronting Uhlathi. So Uhlathi thinks that they are stalking him. But see, at this point in time, things have gone from bad to worse because manje sebalethe evidence. The same Mongezi Shezi guy that was bribed by Uhlathi is this guy. So this guy has appeared laphana kwaHlathi ezobingelela laphana hey mehle madala Hlathi. So kuyavela la ukuthi these people have been meeting and this guy told uHlathi ukuthi yo you have to have like a standard budget if you want everything to actually work accordingly. Basically Lomjita was also paid by Lazarus noHlathi no Zoleka for uHlathi to back off. And I think this guy is gonna double cross uHlathi. By the way, I see bazom double crosser uHlathi, you understand? Because vele uLazarus bano Zoleka are very wealthy, you understand, as you can see, and they're doing anything in their power to make uHlathi back down, you understand? Let me know what you think is gonna happen, Bafethu, in the next episode. Let me know what you think is gonna happen in the next episode, Bafethu. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.